Hello, teacher.
Đức bên đây.
Potato, good evening. Can you hear me, sir? Can you hear me?
What?
Good
Yeah.
evening. Okay, how are you?
Yeah.
There you go. How are you? Wow. How are you today?
Sao?
Today?
Câu hỏi không?
Câu hỏi là gì? Nói cho biết.
How are you today?
How are you
I
today?
am great.
You are great. Okay, that's good. Did you went to school today?
Yes, 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 yes.
Yes. Oh, how was school? Did you had fun in the school?
Auntie này.
Was it fun in the school?
Ngồi xuống, dựng nó lên.
Xuống
Dựng nó lên.
tiêu học thành liền.
Oh, is it fun in the school today? Did you had fun? Yes.
Uống giờ ăn cơm, uống
That's
sữa làm.
good to hear. You
Như
had
liền.
in the
Cầm làm
school.
sữa làm.
Okay. So potato, let me share to you the screen.
Đi học cùng. Đi học cùng.
All right, potato, let's have lesson 2. We have vocabulary word.
Near.
Okay, what is this? It's
Here.
near.
Far.
One.
Oh.
Okay, so we have
Far.
here first picture. The boy and the girl are near, but the next picture, the boy and the girl are far. Good.
Far from.
One, what is this?
Far
Far from. Look at here. The boy is far from the potato. The
Người
boy
bơi không nào.
from the house.
Museum.
One, what is this?
Con thì nói.
Potato, what is
Không học
this?
chưa ăn cơm đâu. Thế có hỏi gì không?
Museum. Museum.
Museum. Okay, good.
Puppet.
This one, what's this?
Puppet.
Puppet. Okay, correct. This one,
Theater.
what's this? Theater. Again, theater.
Museum.
Okay, you know what is theater?
Ngồi gần lên.
Potato, do you know what is theater? Potato, you know theater? All right, that's good to hear. You know
Lake.
theater. What is this? This is a
Là.
lake.
Temple.
This one, what's this? What's this? This is a, what's this potato? It's a
Temple.
temple. Very good. So a lake and a temple. Okay. Look, listen, and repeat potato.
Look! This is a photo of Hai Song.
Again.
No, is photo of Thai song.
Is Haichong near Hanoi?
Again.
Is Thai song near Hanoi?
Yes, it is.
Again.
Yes, it is.
Perfect. Very good. This one.
And this is a photo of Ha Long Bay.
Again.
It is a photo of Ha Long Bay.
Okay.
Is Ha Long Bay near Hanoi?
Again.
Ha Long Bay near Hanoi?
No, it isn't.
No,
It's far from Hanoi.
No,
good.
it isn't. It's far from Hanoi.
Correct. Okay. So let's have structure. So we have here is the place near the place two. You will answer yes, it is, or no, it isn't. It's far from the place. Okay, look at here, potato.
Is Ha Long Bay near Hue? No, it isn't. It's far from Hue.
Again.
It is Ha Long Bay near Huế. No, it's far from Huế.
Okay, correct. This one. Letter B. Go. Is Da Nang. Go, letter B. Come on, is Da Nang.
Is Ha Long Bay near Huế? No.
Yes.
No, it is far from Huế.
Ôi.
It is Hà Đăng near Huế. Yeah.
Đà Nẵng con.
Yes, it is.
Đây này. Nào. Cá còn.
Ừ.
Đây.
Đà Nẵng làm gì á?
Không phải Hà Đông à?
Hà Đăng gì vậy?
Hà Đông.
Đà Nẵng.
Đà Nẵng hoặc Hà Đông. Is Hồ Chí Minh City.
Here.
No, is far from Huế. Hồ Chí Minh như Huế, no, is far from Huế. Is Quang Trị.
Quảng Trị rồi.
Near Huế. Yes, it is.
Very good. Okay, so look at here. Okay, so here, how about this one?
Ừ.
It's Dong Nai Go.
Bình học đi.
Okay, it's Dong Nai.
It is Dong Nai near Hồ Chí Minh City.
What's the answer?
Yes, it is.
Okay, next is Huế.
It's Huế. Yes, Hồ Chí Minh City. No, it is.
It's far from. Is it it's far from?
Huế. Far
No,
from
it's far from Ho Chi Minh City. Again, it's far.
Phải.
It's far. Come on. It's far from Ho Chi Minh City.
City.
Okay, next. You're still eating? Next.
No,
Next.
it's Cần Thơ near Hồ Chí Minh City. No, it's it. It is.
What's the answer?
It is far from Ho Chí Minh City.
Okay, far from Ho Chi Minh City. Okay. So here, potato, listen to this and write the number on which what places or what place does this picture was described. Okay? Listen, potato. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Potato. Okay, listen first and then write the number of your answer.
I don't know.
1,
No,
Is
easy.
this Hanoi? Yes, it is.
Difficult.
It's beautiful.
Difficult. No, it's difficult.
All right, potato. What picture here is Hanoi?
It's difficult.
Where is Hanoi? A, B, C, or D?
Là vừa ngồi chân xuống.
Hanoi is letter.
Nhìn đi.
Đâu? Đây à?
Okay, what picture here is Hanoi? Okay, next, number 2. Listen to number 2.
2,
Where is Kanto, Nam?
It's in South Vietnam.
Okay, where is Kanto? Where is Kanto?
Cô is
Where is Kanto?
thành phố đâu?
Cái gì ạ?
Thành phố đâu?
Cô đấy đi.
Thành phố đâu?
Kẹp phô cái gì?
Nghe lại. Nghe tiếng Anh ấy.
Listen again.
Listen again.
Okay, listen again.
Where is Kanto, Nam?
It's in South Vietnam.
Okay, where is Kanto?
Listen again.
Listen again.
2,
Where is Kanto? Tho, Nam.
It's in South
Con thơ
Vietnam.
là gì?
Okay, where is Kanto?
Tập đè bố.
Kanto.
Cần Thơ. Cần Thơ. Cần Thơ. Đây á. Cần Thơ.
Ừ.
Where is it? What picture is Kanto? A, B, or D?
Tôi lên tôi đâu này không à.
Cái đây. Thì chuyện ông phải.
Okay, number 3.
3.
Look, this is Hue.
Where is it, Mai?
It's in Central Vietnam. It's
Đây là Quảng
far
Ninh.
from here.
Có lên Huế bố.
Okay,
Đây Quảng Ninh
number
chứ. Đây còn
3.
cái còn Huế ở đâu nữa? Nhìn đi.
You want
Đây
to
là Quảng Ninh
listen
rồi,
again?
còn Huế ở
Number
đâu?
3.
Cái đây.
Or listen, number 3.
It's in Central Vietnam.
Again.
Look, this is Hue.
Wait.
Where is it, Mai?
It's in Central Vietnam. It's far from here.
4.
Here is Ha Long Bay.
Is Ha Long Bay near Haiphong?
Yes, it is.
Okay, are you ready to check?
Wait.
Okay.
Let me. Yeah.
Well, what's your answer? There's no answer. It's erased. You put your answer again.
Fight here. Fight. Ôi. Học đi.
Okay, let's check. Now here we have. Oh, are you correct, Potato?
Yes.
Okay, perfect. Very good, because you know the places in Vietnam. So these are the places of Vietnam. Now here, Potato, I want you to complete this one using the words here, okay? Come on, please write the words to answer the following. We have here the word far, theater, near, and name. Hi, my blank is now. What's the missing word there?
Nó như em con nói. Hi, my. I don't know.
Look at here.
Now easy.
Hi, my blank is numb. What is the
It's
missing word?
difficult.
Oh, listen.
It's difficult. Now
There's-
easy.
There's only
Difficult.
4 choices potato, so this one is
It's
a bit tricky.
difficult. I don't know.
Oh, you listen.
Difficult.
You listen first. Oh, if you're going this one, oh, look at here. Hi, my blank is numb. Oh, what is numb? Is it far? Is it theater? Is it near? Or it's a name?
I don't
Nam
know. It's name.
Name. Okay, right, Nam. Right. Right name. That's correct. You said you don't know, but you can answer. Come
Name
on.
is
Okay, right.
me.
Teacher will wait. Don't worry, don't worry. Teacher will wait. Okay, next. Look at here. Hi, my name is Na. I am in Hanoi now. I am at Thang Long Water Puppet Theater. It is blank One Kiem Lake. What is it? Look at here. Look at here, Nam. Potato, this is One Kiem Lake. And then Thang Long Water Puppet Theater
quay ra.
is,
Ghế bỏ ở kia. Ngồi
let's
thẳng ra.
see.
Than Kiem Lake.
Okay, look at here. Is the theater far or near from Tan Long Water Puppet Theater? Or is it far from the One Kiem Lake, or it's near?
I don't know.
Okay, is it near or it's far?
Bình cầm giữ đùi. Em thấy trong đuôi quần là người kiểu người.
I don't know.
Look at the picture.
Bò cái gối này.
Oh, how about potato? How about the Ngok Son Temple? Look at the Ngok Son Temple. Okay, the Ngok Son Temple, this one, is it near the museum or far? This is the museum. Wait. Oh, look at here. Is it near or it's far?
Let me.
Okay, don't worry. Okay, just write your answer.
Here. Here.
Okay, next, number 3. How about the Ngokson Temple? Is near the blank. What is near to the Ngokson Temple? Near the...
Temple near
What is
Than
it?
Kiem.
Oh,
Than
near
Kiem Lake.
the... Look at the picture. Oh, not the picture. Look at the choices. Look at the choices, potato. There is far, theater, near, and name. So what word is missing in number 3?
I don't know.
Look
I
at
don't
here.
know.
There are only 2 words left. We have the word far and theater. Which one do you think is the correct answer? Far or theater?
Farm.
Huh? Ngokson
Wait,
Temple
wait.
is near the far or near the theater? Oh, look at the spelling.
Let me. Let me. Don't let. Cửa ra cho mi sửa lại cho
Look at the spelling. Potato, look at the spelling. Check the spelling.
I don't know.
Spelling of theater. Look at here. It's not letter N, it's letter H. And then there's no R. Come on, write again. Oh, I will erase. Oh, Potato, what's your answer number 3?
Thank you.
Rồi. Rồi. Chờ nhá. Bye 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 bye. Ngồi xuống. Câu hỏi 2 năm.
Đưa mi tải cái ở dưới đi.
Okay, number 4. Write the last word, number 4.
Tại hộ có chữ R gì nữa. Tại hộ mi chữ R gì nữa.
Gì?
Tại hộ con chữ R gì.
Sáng nay có nói gì không hả?
Hộ con chữ R gì.
Thảo con.
Tại hộ có chữ R gì. Viết cho mi R. Viết cho mi R.
Em bà hả?
Tại là gì bố?
Bây giờ kể. Bây giờ
Đi đây được. Rồi. Con chữ rồi. Tại hôm mi chữ R.
Come on, the last word.
Vâng.
Không bạn nào em ơi. Bạn không?
Ai không phải được.
Okay, go.
Watch me terrible.
Bạn ơi.
Watch me terrible.
Okay.
Watch me terrible. Watch me terrible. Watch me terrible.
Okay, it's okay. Come on.
Ready? No. Run.
Bạn không?
It's terrible.
Ngồi đặt xuống. Trống xuống trống. Thì xúc đâu? Đây ngôi của đảo. Bây giờ được tay đi.
Ai
Okay, wait me. Potato, you enter again potato because my Zoom will close. Enter. Enter again. I'll be back. I'll be back. Okay? You do that again.